So you're knitting and knitting and knitting, yet you end up with something that looks like this, when really you want something that looks like this. So what are you doing wrong? Okay, well this is called the garter stitch, and this happens when you knit a row and then you knit another row and you just knit and knit and knit, working the knit stitch over and over again. And you actually end up with something that looks like purl stitches, and this is called the garter stitch. So to get this, the traditional little V shape that you get in knitting, you have to do something different. So what you do is you need to knit a row, and then you need to purl a row on the way back, and then you knit a row, and then you purl a row, and just alternate between a knit row, purl row, knit row, purl row, over and over again, and you will get your V stitch. This is called stocking stitch or stockinette stitch, and you'll get your traditional knitting V stitch. So that may be where you're going wrong, and hopefully that stops some confusion for beginner knitters.